Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting dive into the world of technology. Today, I'm diving into a game changer for all of us who've been there, scrambling to find lost software keys. It's a common problem that can cause a lot of frustration and wasted time. Let's talk about the XenArmor All-in-One Key Finder Pro. This tool is designed to make your life easier by ensuring you never lose track of your software keys again. XenArmor's been in the game for over 17 years, building a reputation for reliability and innovation in the digital security space. With a whopping 31 million users worldwide, their reach and impact are truly global. People from all corners of the world trust XenArmor to keep their digital lives secure. They're a trusted name when it comes to digital security, providing peace of mind to millions of users. So what's the fuss about this Key Finder Pro? Why is it considered a must-have tool for anyone using multiple software applications? Imagine this: you're upgrading your PC, excited about the new features and performance, and suddenly realize you've misplaced your Microsoft Office key. Panic sets in, right? Well, not anymore. With XenArmor Key Finder Pro, you can avoid this nightmare scenario. XenArmor Key Finder Pro can recover lost license keys for Windows, Microsoft Office, and over 16,000 other popular software apps. That's a vast range of applications covered. This isn't just a basic tool, it's designed for both personal and professional use, making it versatile and highly effective. It's enterprise-grade software with advanced scanning algorithms that can dig deep into your system to locate those elusive keys, even if they're hidden or obscured. This means you can trust it to find keys that other tools might miss. Even if they're hidden or obscured, XenArmor Key Finder Pro will uncover them, saving you from the hassle of searching manually. Plus, the interface is super intuitive, designed to be user-friendly and accessible, making it a breeze for both techies and non-techies alike. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or a casual user, you'll find it easy to navigate and use. Let's take a moment to appreciate the time and money this tool can save. No more buying new licenses because you can't find the old ones. No more buying new licenses because you can't find the old ones. This tool ensures you get the most out of your existing software investments. XenArmor Key Finder Pro ensures you have uninterrupted access to your essential applications and data, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. And it doesn't stop there. The software comes packed with additional features that enhance its functionality and make it even more valuable. XenArmor's commitment to customer satisfaction is top-notch. They go above and beyond to ensure their users are happy and secure. Their team of security pros ensures their software is rigorously tested for effectiveness and reliability. You can trust that it will perform as promised. Plus, their customer support is exceptional, always ready to assist you with any issues or questions you might have. With a comprehensive knowledge base, FAQs, and tutorials available on their website, you'll have all the resources you need to get the most out of the software. So, why choose XenArmor? It's simple: peace of mind. Knowing that your software keys are secure and easily retrievable gives you one less thing to worry about. Their software is developed by experienced professionals and trusted by millions globally. This level of trust and expertise is hard to find. Whether you're locked out, need to recover lost keys, or just want to beef up your digital security, XenArmor has got your back. Their solutions are designed to meet a wide range of needs. Ready to experience the XenArmor difference? Head over to their website and check out the link in the description for a special giveaway. Head over to their website and check out the link in the description for a special giveaway. Don't miss out on this opportunity to secure your digital world. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Until next time, stay secure and keep those keys safe. Remember, a secure digital world is a happy digital world.